Hello class, this is Adobe Photoshop tutorial number 3. On this we are actually going to merge our eye with our main image and use content aware delete to delete the area that we no longer need on our main image. So here we have the half of the eye. We really don't need that anymore, but we might not want to get completely rid of it until we're totally done with this project. So let's just minimize that. We do have this eye that we just worked on, and we have our main image. Now, in order to prep our main image for the content for bringing the eye, we're going to have to grab these sections and make them go away. There are a number of different options. All of these tools in a row are essentially selection options, even the crop tool. The marquee tool, rectangular marquee, if you hold down with the right key, you can see there's different options. Okay. This lasso tool also has different options. Lasso, polygon lasso, magnetic lasso. And what that does is it will start to grab an area that we want to make go away. In this case, I'm using the lasso tool, which I think works fine on organic things. Polygon lasso works better on inorganic, rigid things such as buildings, architecture of sorts, furniture. Okay. Once we have this selected, then we want to do is we want to go up and we want to make the feathering right here something that sort of will blend, maybe 12 pixels. Maybe that will be okay. Come back. Oh, we make sure we keep that grabbing. Command Z goes back 1. So whatever you're doing, you can always move back 1 with Command Z. All right. Now that we have this selected and we have the feathering on somewhat, let's just see what happens if we delete it. Now, when delete comes up, there's different options. For example, foreground color, background color, color, which you put in, content aware, pattern, history, we'll talk about later, black, 50% gray, or white. In this case, we're using content aware. Let's just see what happens. Wow, that looks pretty close. We do have some remnant eyebrows and stuff like that. The smaller the section you do, the more I find it actually deletes in the way you want it to. We could use this. Maybe this, we'll get rid of some of this up here maybe. Again, the same idea. Hit delete, content aware. We'll just see what happens. Okay. Maybe use this a little bit more right here. We want to get rid of that. Okay. In that case, it's selected both of these areas. That's all right. Let's see. Pretty good. Pretty good. What I would say now is get out of your selection. Maybe select some of this as well. Same idea. Maybe try a different selection tool. Polygon, and you can see how this is a little more rigid. Again, if you click too fast, sometimes Control Z will take you back. You can just get rid of the sections that you don't want. Again, content aware delete. There. Now that you have sort of a place to put your eye, come over here And we'll use the move tool and just drag it, just like that. Now luckily we took a big enough picture, a large enough file size, that we can actually blend the two and make them fit. That's what we will do in the next tutorial.